Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to sculpt one random face or one creature, one random face. I'm only going to sculpt and then I'm going to texture paint it in Blender only. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our model sculpted in Blender. This is very easy model which I have sculpted. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.